Okay, class, today I'm bringing you inside of another flip we did. We just sold this thing in 2 weeks for $250,000. And I want to share with you some before and after video of what houses look like before we buy them. And then we turn them from old and busted to new and sexy. Let's do it. All right, class, it's Kris Haskins with therealestateroundup.com. My mission and ministry is to raise your financial literacy through real estate investing and entrepreneurship. First, I have to take time to thank my beautiful daughter. Thank you, Taylor.
You're welcome.
So before we go inside, I want you to take a look at the neighborhood here. Give them a nice pan. If you want to tug it on your neck, it'd make it real steady. There you go, there you go. You can see this has pride of ownership. People are taking care of their yards. Although I did have to call the city a few times for the couple of neighbors to cut their grass. Roofs are okay, windows are okay. We don't have a bunch of cars sitting up on blocks, a bunch of damaged roofs, a bunch of busted out windows. So the neighborhood is actually halfway decent, okay? So that's a thumbs up when you were coming to look at the next property to flip, all right? So what we did on this one, on the exterior, the siding was good. All we had to do was paint the shutters, and we did do a new roof. So I'll show you what we had to do on that roof. It was nasty. It was actually leaking before we got started on it. So we're gonna do a new roof here, Ron?
Yes, new roof.
All right,
Yep.
New roof. Windows are good. Siding is good. We gotta do a pressure washing on the siding. What are we gonna do with these shrubs, Ron?
Try to save as many as we can, but remove what's is bad. From what I'm seeing, there's quite a few that are bad.
So before I take you inside the property, let's go over the numbers so you can see how it played out regarding profit, what we paid for it, what we sold it for, reno, all that stuff, okay? So the purchase price, we paid $132,000 for this property, AKA the maximum allowable offer. What's the max you can offer to make this deal work? You gotta know that stuff. Reno, our renovation budget, obviously it's more. We thought we were gonna be in the 50s, ended up being 60. Things always pop up. When you're doing your roof, you got more bad wood. The garage, more bad wood, rotten wood, right? Termite damage under the property. When you rip out a floor, you got bad wood. When you move a wall, you got wood in there. More sheetrock, it's always more. Materials are going up, up, up. This cost of doing business. Closing costs. Now, in this crazy market we're in, generally speaking, you may or may not have to pay, well, you probably won't have to pay closing costs to sell it if you're the buyer. But we agreed to pay it on this one, so we ended up paying right around $20,000-ish. And remember, real estate is never down to the dollar. You just don't know. So we paid 20 grand. That's going to be realtor fees, cost of the money. We didn't have a lot of interest on this one because we used a lot of our own cash. Maintenance, utilities, taxes, insurance, all that stuff piled on, and plus the closing costs when we buy it and when we sell it, roughly 20 grand, right? So all that adds up to $212,000. So we're all in. We're all in roughly on this one, $212,000. That's how much cash outlay we've got. So our sales price was $260,000. And remember, we had to pay $9,000 in closing fee for the buyer to get out of it. A lot of people say, I ain't paying closing costs for the buyer. Well, in an ordinary market, you're going to have to pay that closing cost if you want to sell your house, right? So our profit was roughly $48,000. And you see I have the plus and minus, I think 45, 46,000 we walked away. But these are going to be your average numbers. And you have to understand Mayo, how to calculate your purchase price, your maximum allowable offer. Now, if you don't quite understand how that works, you don't have your equations down, I'm going to put a video for you right there. That's going to show you what our equation is so it'll help you plug into a system. You got to know your equations to be an effective real estate investor. So listen, if we're pouring into you today during this training, make sure you go below, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you know when we have our trainings coming on. Like this content and share with anybody else that you think is interested in becoming a real estate investor. All right, as we pass 88,000 subscribers, I'm thankful that you let me serve. Okay, let's get to this house. These new rails here. And you saw the numbers break down in the office there. Come on in, buddy. We were able to keep this door, right? All we had to do was paint the door. Very rarely do I get to keep a door. Very rarely. So when you first walk in, stay right there for a minute. There used to be a wall here, so you'll see us take that wall out. We dropped some granite there. There used to be, wait till you see this carpet. We had 6 different carpets in this property. When we ripped it up, it was this beautiful hardwood floors right here. And keep in mind, tip, hardwood floors are older than you and me and Taylor put together, and they are gonna be here long after we're gone, right? Hardwood floors, they just last forever. This door ain't bad, Ron. Can we keep it?
The door will stay. The door looks good.
Yeah, let's keep this door. Let's say it was $450. Or is it more? Door's more now. I don't know.
With labor installs, it's probably like around 600, maybe
650.
Yeah.
Stuff going up. So this flooring goes out. I've seen under here it is hardwood floors. So here's the kitchen. We opened this up a little bit here. You see, we changed the format. Remember, it used to be a little wall there. I mean, it used to be a door there. So I'll show you some before and afters of that. We do have to do new flooring in here. What we're gonna do with this? Rip everything out here, Ron?
Yep, cabinets are being replaced.
New cabinets.
Closing that door off.
Let's be closed in, y'all, because that's a bedroom there. What about here when we do a pass through so people can see into the living room?
Yep, pass through on this wall.
Wrapped around new granite. We got stainless steel appliance package, microwave hood, range, dishwasher. I'm gonna give you another tip. Never, ever, ever give or install refrigerators in these flips. Why? Why, Chris? Why don't you want to give them a refrigerator? You want to be cheap? No. That is a bargaining tool we can give for our buyer. They say, here's an offer for $260,000 or whatever. They might write it up. They want us to bring a refrigerator. So we can either say, listen, you can add $1,000 or $1,500 to the purchase price, and we'll bring that that refrigerator, okay? Just a bargaining tool, all right? We got brand new tile, 12 by 24s. You see we have the brick pattern. It's not all in line. That's kind of the pattern that Ron likes to do. And this is our utility room. We got new flooring down here. Wash and dry hookup over there. And a dryer out there. What we should have done, if you remember before, this room was just like a little den. We should have ran, this is luxury vinyl plank on the floor here. We should have run this all the way in through here, but we ended up doing carpet. We turned this into a bedroom, okay? So we put a closet here. This flooring should have been luxury vinyl. You know, things just slid by. So this is now, it used to be a 4-bedroom, now it's a 5-bedroom. This is where Ron just said we could do a bedroom. It's crazy, man.
Yes. It's sort of like a waste of space, so I'm not converting into a bedroom, if possible.
That's a good idea, Ron. New kitchen cabinets that we show is white. I don't care what color they are. Ron is the man that's in charge of that. Did you give them a pan of the cabinets? Okay. So Ron does the kitchen cabinets. I don't really care what color we use. Here's the new primary bedroom. So this did not have hardwood floors. It had a regular subfloor. Well, we built out this closet. Nice closet for the ladies. And here's the new bathroom. Remember before this was just a closet. So we have beautiful tile, once again, in the brick pattern, flowing into your new water sexy shower. All right, so sometimes we put a rainfall shower head in, but we didn't on this one. So what we did, give the ladies the shampoo shelf here for all your stuff ladies use. All right, ladies, don't get mad at me. Y'all know how y'all do. So this is called a custom shower and a custom shower base. Sometimes we'll use a prefab fiberglass base, but this one, the man came in, and I'll give you some footage on that too. So this is the space that you saw from the primary bedroom. We're gonna push this wall in, and try to drop a bathroom in here. This is cool, right? What do you think, Tim?
Yeah.
We got granite here. Man, really, really cool. So now you can, that's a bonus. You can get ready, get your private bathroom, you're chilling. And we'll always do a ceiling fan in the primary bedroom. We did have to put central heating in there in this one too. So nothing really big to see here, and just bedrooms are nothing but 4 walls. So I don't know who snuck that fan in. That wasted $100. We'll have to get Ron on that. It happens though. So this is our bathroom. All we did here was change out fixtures, new vanity, new toilet, and I'm going to give you a before and after of this tub. This is the exact same tub. We did something called refinishing, or what some people call it glazing the tub. So we just come in and turn it white, then it's over. So here's our bathroom. Right now this is a 4-bedroom, 1 bath. This vanity will come out, new toilet. What about this flooring, Ron? So this mirror will go, y'all. And this tub, we're gonna keep this tub. The next time you see it, it will be completely white. Saves you roughly $1,200 because this only was $400 to do. So, and it looks brand new. What do you think, Dylan? Doesn't it look brand new?
Yeah.
You know? So stand right there and I'm gonna point out a couple things. If you notice, our colors that we use are agreeable gray. I'm gonna give you a tip too. Just paint the ceiling the same color as the walls. Why do we do that? Time. It takes a long time. It's for your painter to come in, paint white on the ceiling, and then cut it in. What is a cut in? Let me share with you. So you see this trim here. You can back over there. See, this trim has to be cut in right here. That is what takes a long time because you have to take this brush and go like that. So when you do ceiling paint, you have to. If you do this one color and the ceiling white, they then have to cut in. Have to take a paintbrush and make sure that it's a nice straight line there where the wall meets the ceiling. But getting back up a little bit, when you use one color, you talk about they can paint the whole thing and they're done. You talk about quick. So no one comes in and says, the ceiling needs to be white. No one cares, all right? So listen, this is another flip. If you're interested in getting started in real estate, just click the button below, send us an email, and I'm more than happy to give you a push to set together an action plan for you. Subscribe to the channel, like this content, and share with any other investors that are interested in becoming or getting started in real estate. All right, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.